to day 4 of the 12 Days of Christmas Junk Journal Gifts tutorials. That is still a mouthful to say. Today we are doing journal tabs, and I have 2 examples here. This one is a Christmas one that I've packaged up, and I use some Distress Oxides and stamping and some Tim Holtz ephemera and ribbon, and just package those up with a little baggie. And then this one I have on a tag, and I put on the back of it some music sheet, and then these just will slide out, and then you can use them after you gift them or whatever and use them in a journal. So if we were to use them in a journal, let me grab one. You could have this as a gift just inside a journal somewhere, and then the person who used them could find the page, and then it's a double-sided tab. So what they could do is find the page that they want to use it, and then they just attach it. They could staple it, or they could glue both sides, and then they have little tabs that hang out the side of their journal. If they didn't want it on the side, they could do the same thing, attach with some glue, and they have little tabs at the top. And I thought 3 was a nice number. So then I just cut slits in this paper and try and slide it back in. So yeah, so there we go. 3 little tabs that they can use in their journal in this. If you were making a stuffed envelope or something, you could do that. You could add some embellishing at the top. Yeah, just an idea. So we're gonna make some tabs. Let me get this all put. So for the tabs, I am using, these are from Dollar Tree. There were 30 of them in a pack for $1, and we need 6 of them for this project so that we can glue them together. You can use scrapbook paper, you could use washi tape, you could use lace, book pages, anything you want. I thought I would use some gelatos. I haven't played with my gelatos in a while, and I'm feeling like I want to get a little messy. So I am just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna kind of, maybe I needed a scrap paper. Rub these on. Ooh, that one's a good one. That's what I was wanting. That one's a little dried out too. See? Okay, so I have my little squirt bottle here, and I'm just gonna spray on a little water on my gelato, and then that will help it. If it's a little dried out, it will help give it some moisture. Okay, our tags are dry, and now let's do some stamping. I have a Tim Holtz Crafty stamp right here, and I'm not going to use the block. I'm just going to ink it up, and maybe, let's see, if we line a couple up, I'm just going to lay it on. That looks so cool, doesn't it? So cool. Do a couple more. doing Dollar Tree things, I pulled out some stickers I have in my stash from Dollar Tree. And I thought some of these would look really cute on here. I also, while I was waiting, excuse me, for the tags to dry, I ripped up some music sheets just to add some dimension, and then I thought maybe if we ink up the edges a little bit. Sparkle with some hide to shine, as Inky Quill would say. Okay, so we're gonna do hide to shine like this. Just gonna kind of drop it on. Okay, all dry. Look how shiny. I love it. So fun. Love it. I love it. I love it. Okay. So, let's stick some of this, and then we had our butterfly. This has some pretty cute. All right, I like it. Together. So I'm just going to kind of pair them up. And then remember, this is going to stick on, so we're only going to glue the very top part together so that it can work as a tab. Found this pink. It's from Tuesday Morning. There's a pack of them with a bunch of different ribbons. I thought this color would be really cute. And there we go. Okay, so now our tabs are all put together. We have ribbons on. So then now they would open, slide in a book page like that. Pretty cute. And so now I wanted to make the tag that you could put in the journal if you were giving this as a gift. So I had a tag shape and some scrap paper. And I'm just going to use this tag shape as my guide. And I'm just going to cut this out. If you have a die or whatever, that would work too. I'm just going to do this really quickly. And then I'm going to take my other scissors and kind of position them where I want. And one way to do this is with your cutting board. I did it with scissors and I kind of made a mess. So it's about 3, so about 1.5. And then I'm just gonna set it and just go a little bit. Let's see if it fits. All right, so I need a little. I moved. One. Two. Oh yeah, I have big space. Fill the gap with some ribbon. There's no mistakes in junk journaling, just opportunity to embellish. And title knot right here. I'm going to cover the back with this music sheet. So actually I'm going to use my tape gun for this. And then I'm going to stick this whole thing on the music sheet like that. And then I'm going to trim around and voila. Just add some ribbon to the top. But there we go. So now these come out and you can use them as your tags, as your gift. Pretty cute, even with our little bow in the middle. There we go. So here's another idea. And our other one right here that we packaged up in cellophane. Super cute. All right. Thanks for hanging out. It was really fun, and I hope you make some of these tabs for your journals or for your friends' journals. All right. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Stay tuned for our next day. What is it? Day 5 coming up? All right. Have a great one. Bye-bye.